Ever wondered how the deep-seated rivalry between Israel and Palestine began? It's a tale that takes us back to the early 20th century, with the Balfour Declaration of 1917 playing a pivotal role. This document, issued by the British government, expressed support for the establishment of a national home for the Jewish people in Palestine. Fast forward to 1948, and the State of Israel was born, marking a significant milestone in this historical narrative. But the birth of a nation was not without its trials. The formation of Israel sparked the Arab-Israeli War, a conflict that reverberated across the Middle East. It's worth noting that the British colonial rule, which held sway during these formative years, played a significant role in stoking the flames of this conflict. This historic backdrop sets the stage for a rivalry that has shaped the geopolitics of the Middle East. As the decades rolled on, the scales of this rivalry began to tip. The Six-Day War in 1967 and the Yom Kippur War in 1973 became defining moments, with Israel demonstrating its strategic prowess and resilience. These wars were not just about land or borders, they were a testament to a nation's resolve to protect its people and its sovereignty. In the Six-Day War, Israel's swift and decisive actions led to a stunning victory, reshaping the geopolitical landscape of the Middle East. Fast forward to 1973, the Yom Kippur War further solidified Israel's standing as a formidable force, even when faced with a surprise attack. Then came the Camp David Accords in 1978, a monumental turning point that marked a new era of diplomacy for Israel. This peace agreement with Egypt was a significant stride forward in Israel's relations with its neighbors. These events marked a significant shift in the balance of power in the region. Fast forward to the present day. Where does Israel stand in this rivalry? Now, Israel stands as a regional powerhouse. It's a beacon of technological innovation, a nation that has paved the way for countless advancements that have left an indelible mark on the world. From cybersecurity to agriculture, Israel's technological prowess is second to none. And let's not forget about its robust defense capabilities, with one of the most highly trained militaries in the world, and a missile defense system that's the envy of many. Israel remains a formidable force in the region. Add to that its strategic alliances. Israel has managed to build strong ties with some of the world's most influential nations, bolstering its position on the global stage. These factors combined have allowed Israel to maintain a position of strength in its rivalry with Palestine. Despite the ongoing conflict, Israel has managed to carve out a position of strength and resilience.